Remote sensing, your window to Earth from above. Ever wondered how scientists monitor melting glaciers or track forest fires without stepping outside? Let's dive into the world of remote sensing. Remote sensing means studying Earth from a distance using sensors on satellites, aircraft, or drones. These sensors detect electromagnetic radiation, basically, the light and energy bounced or emitted from Earth's surface. Sensors are of two types. Passive sensors snap sunlight reflections, while active sensors zap their own energy and listen for echoes. Passive sensors are like your phone camera, capturing sunlight reflections during the day when the sky's clear. Active sensors like radar and LiDAR don't wait for sunlight. They send out their own signals, seeing through clouds, smoke, and even at night. Remote sensing isn't just about stunning images. It collects smart data across the electromagnetic spectrum, visible light, infrared, microwaves, and more. This data helps you check soil moisture, temperature, vegetation health, and even subtle elevation changes like glaciers retreating. Get ready for some tech talk. Resolution is king. It determines how detailed and useful remote sensing data really is. Thanks to remote sensing, you can track climate change, forest fires, floods, glacier retreat, and even city growth all from above. It's powerful because it covers huge, hard-to-reach places and keeps watch 24/7, rain or shine, day or night. But it's not all perfect. Clouds can block optical sensors, data costs can add up, and analyzing this info is complex business. Enter AI in cloud platforms like Google Earth Engine, speeding up data crunching and helping you make smart, timely decisions. It's like giving scientists superhero powers to protect our planet faster and better than ever before. From a single pixel to the whole globe, remote sensing turns tiny data points into powerful planet-saving decisions. Next time you see satellite or drone images, remember, it's not just pictures, it's science in action. Dive in, become an Earth observer.